All right, up next we have got a question from Carlo Del Carmen in Washington. He asks, how can I repair fork kits on my Pro Series frames? I lightly sand the crater so my bands wouldn't snag, but it leaves the bare metal exposed and unsightly. Can I use an automotive enamel, or will the paint bubble up? All right, Carmen, so yeah, it stinks when you get a fork kit on your aluminum frame because it does leave an unsightly dent. You got two approaches you can take there. If it bothers you, you've done the right thing. You've sanded down any area that could cause a snag on your bands. That could be a battle scar. The gunslingers put notches on their belt. Maybe take that attitude. But if you need to cover it up, sure, you can use an enamel. It's just aluminum. So clean it good, degrease it, paint it as you would. It's your choice. But you're doing the right thing already. Just use some light sandpaper, clean it up. If you need to put some enamel on it, go for it. Just use the same techniques you would for painting any other aluminum surface. So thanks for that question, Carmen.